In this video, we will be looking at the features and benefits of the EA Flow Center. This video will explain what is non-pressurized, reliable and attractive construction, simple installation, easy to operate and maintain. The EA non-pressurized flow center pumping stations operate on the concept of static pressure. Static pressure is created by a constant column of fluid in the canister of the flow center. This column of water creates a 0.042 psi per inch of fluid. The flow centers maintain approximately 1.30 psi, which is well above the static pressure requirement for all inline wet rotor pumps, to move the fluid in the canister at a constant rate of flow, or GPM, throughout the geothermal system. The fluid level is always above the pumps, creating fluid suction, which prevents pump cavitation. The EA Flow Center is reliable and attractive with its long-lasting heavy-duty design, allowing it to fit seamlessly into all utility rooms. The flow center should be mounted on the floor. The 2-year warranty of the flow center provides our customers with peace of mind that we stand behind our product. Wet rotor pumps specifically designed for the industry are reliable and warranted for 2 years. Pump size is determined by calculating the feet ahead and GPM of each system. Please refer to the installation guide on our website for pump curve information and pump options. The EA Flow Center arrives as one complete unit, so installation is simple and efficient. The EA has 2 separate pumping circuits designed to work with 2 heat pumps on 1 common loop field. Each circuit can handle up to 6 tons with up to 2 pumps on each circuit using normal piping and installation practices. Simply connect the return line from the earth loop to the flow center and then connect a supply line from the flow center to heat pumps. The EA comes with our 1 1/4 inch stainless male pipe thread connection. The outlet connections are 1 1/4 inch female pipe thread ball valve connections. The EA Flow Center is easy to operate and maintain. The self-sealing cap protects the system from dirt and debris. Simply remove the hand-tightened cap to easily add and check antifreeze and flow. The top and bottom ball valves allow for easy pump servicing while the system is still in operation should any pump need replaced. Thank you for watching. For more information about our products and services, subscribe to our channel or visit our website.